In this video we'll have a look at creating a line graph like the one behind me in just a few simple lines of code. I'm Jason Machin, let's get coding. We're going to be using a graph plotting library, so first of all we need to install that. On a Mac, if you go to Spotlight and type in terminal, then open the terminal. On a PC, if you go to the start menu and type in command prompt, then open the command prompt. And I'm doing this on a Mac here. Then if in the command prompt or in the terminal we do pip3 install and then matplotlib for matplot library. Then just press enter, that should install. On mine it's already installed, so it should be fairly quick there. Once that's installed, then we should be able to go to Python and then do from matplotlib for matplot library, import pyplot as, and then you can give it any name you want. I'm just going to call this PLT. Okay, and then we can start moving on to producing the data for the graph. Now I have some random data here for the x-axis. I've just typed in some technology devices. Let me move that back. Okay, and then again some random numbers. I've just typed these in. If there's any particular data, it's just random. For the y-axis. So here I've created a variable. Again, you can call this anything you want. And then within that variable, a list of things that I want to go across that x-axis. And then another variable, and then a list of values that I want to see that line graph equal. Okay, next if I do PLT, remember we imported this here as PLT, and then plot, so I'm saying I want to plot. And then what do I want to plot? I want to plot the information that I've stored in these two variables. So I want to plot the x-axis and then the y-axis. Okay, close brackets. And I will just see if that works, and then after that I will give some labels to make it neat. So PLT and then show. So this is similar to when we're using tkinter, we need to actually say show it, put it on the screen. So if we run this now, okay, here we have the line graph all ready to use. Next I'm just going to put some, I'll put a title and some labels there. So I can do, for example, plt dot title and then give this a title. So let's say technology review, and then I can say plt dot x label to label the x-axis, and then so let's say tech type, missed a speech mark, and then the same for the y-axis, so plt dot y label, and then let's say user rating. Okay, if I run this now, hopefully I have that chart with the titles and labels correct. Yes, so there we can see. Okay, so that's it, as simple as that, to create a nice simple line graph. There's lots more options in here that we can go to. I'm not going to go through this now, but there's lots of options in this Matplotlib that we can make additional features to your chart. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will have a look at creating a bar chart. Please like and subscribe to keep these videos coming.